For maximum productivity, we fit everything we know into the ProTeam GoFit Series from Emerson. A completely reimagined, reshaped, and remarkable new line of backpack vacuums to give your fleet the extra go it requires. We innovated with your cleaning needs and comfort at the forefront of our design. Take your pick among our 10-quart, 6-quart, and new 3-quart size for flexibility and comfort for any worker and virtually any cleaning challenge. Packed with the same power and efficiency, our newest 3-quart addition to the line delivers big power for those with a smaller frame or for cleaning in smaller spaces and around trickier obstacles. Plus, our reimagined, user-friendly new 4-step FlexFit harness system is numbered and intuitive. So a perfect, custom, comfortable fit is just seconds away. Because GoFit is designed to work for every body, that means our harness is also easily swappable for multiple users. Our interchangeable harness lets you switch your harness on any GoFit vacuum, fast and easy, with no tools required. The GoFit Series offers a tighter center of gravity, which means more freedom to move, while also minimizing the chance of bumping into things. And of course, you're armed with a variety of tools for use on carpet and hard surfaces for maximum flexibility. You asked for better cord and power management, and we delivered. A completely new twist lock plug design to keep cords secure with little strain on the switch, and a new switch box with integrated, secure cord wrap built right into the waist belt. Because ProTeam is a leader in the cleaning for health movement, we've made filtration with GoFit smarter and faster, starting with the single, durable, quick-release die-cast aluminum latch and hinge cap, perfect for single-handed situations to easily access, check, and change filters. The GoFit Plus has an added full bag indicator, so you know when to empty or check your filter bags, and let you know when there may be a clog. The GoFit features our state-of-the-art pro-level filtration system with 4 levels of filters to help reduce allergens and asthma triggers in indoor environments. First, an intercept microfilter to capture soil, dust, and pollutants containing odors and prevents the growth of mold and bacteria. Available with an open filter to empty and reuse, or a closed top filter to better contain debris. Second, a washable microcloth filter, which captures fine particulate with a top gasket to provide a secure vacuum seal. Third, a washable dome filter to capture allergens and protect the motor from superfine dust. And a 4th level post-motor filter made with HEPA media to capture small particulates and carbon dust, featuring new button latch doors for easier access. We're all about simple and swappable, so we made our filter bags completely compatible. So those Super Coach Pro bags you already have are interchangeable with the GoFit. Most GoFit service parts are also interchangeable, so fleet maintenance across the ProTeam GoFit Series is easy. Since 1987, ProTeam backpack vacuums have been setting the standard for reliability, productivity, and efficiency. And the numbers speak for themselves. Backpack vacuums work 3 times faster than uprights and take just half the energy and effort to use. Our most ergonomic, customizable, flexible, and thoughtfully designed series of backpack vacuums yet.